have a Scott Garcia family going on a nature hike with the ranger here. Taiga Pass. So far having a good time. My train leaves at 4 today, the Alaskan Red train, yellow and blue. Here's the ranger right here. There's the ranger. Had my breakfast at Subway, nice and unhealthy, but cheap. So, can you hear the water? So far it's been a good trip. 4 days in Alaska. 4 days in Fairbanks. Then a 1-hour flight back to Anchorage. And then back Seattle, San Diego. So far, so good. Mauricio, you know, if a bear or a moose, you know what's up. Lots of mosquitoes. Reminds me of Miami. Okay, peace out.